the cement and other. So busy. So I got my very minimalist and aesthetic semi-ambiance light and the mirror, the smart mirror with touch light switch.
¿Quieres hacer un video?
Okay. So it's the end of the first week. That is Maria. That is
Hello.
that is and Damian. Cesar. So that's the progress work of first week. Black, because I like the black barrels or any bathroom accessories as long as it's matte black, just to complement the bathroom theme and the accents. Another week update for the bathroom renovation. So as you can see, all the porcelain tiles are complete now, and the floor 85% finished, because next week the walk-in glass door with the black profile edges will be installed here. So next week will be 100% finished. I'll walk you through for the update. Set of the shower will be installed here and other stuff. Completed already in that area. Bench, not yet. The lights and this area will be completed soon. A little bit more porcelain tiles here and here, and a general cleaning, and then the door I might paint it after the cleaning. I'll just have to decide which shade of matte I'm going to use, because I have like 3 versions to choose from. It's exciting, and yes, see you. Ciao. The bathroom main storage, floating storage, the smart mirror, and all the black accessories of the bathroom. The shower screen.
Ahí no aparece la línea, sí, está abajo de la línea. A ver,
Ahí.
So they're installing the shower glass screen for the bathroom.